So I want to show you this 2-pack of solar lights that I got, these spotlights. So it comes with this sets right here, 2 of each, which one I already installed, the screws, and the 2 lights. You turn them on at the bottom, an instruction manual. So I put on this piece here already. You just tighten it here on this side to see wherever you want to adjust it to. Once this is on, this piece, which I'm going to put them over here. So you put this piece on the bottom, and then let's go put them on over here. So it says we need to charge them for about 48 hours, so that's 2 days. So I'm gonna go put them in place, let the sun hit, and then once they're charged, then we'll go ahead and light them up and show you how they look at night. So this piece on the bottom, it actually turns around also. So if you want to move it around in different directions, you can do so also. So it goes all the way around 360 degrees. So however you want to adjust it. So I let it charge for about 24 hours. So here's the power switch on the bottom. Let's turn it on. It has to be dark and the flash is on. So that's green, blue, yellow, it's like a pinkish purple, light blue, and once you get to this one, this last setting, it changes colors to all the colors.